Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. If you're trying to receive international payments or complete a wire transfer, you will need the SWIFT code of your bank. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code for Santander Consumer Bank using the most accurate method, a Google search. So let's get into it. Instead of digging through your banking app or calling the customer service, the easiest and most reliable method is to simply Google it. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Santander Consumer Bank SWIFT code. Let me make it more specific. I will mention one branch as well. And then hit search. Now look for the results from trusted sources like the official Santander Consumer Bank website or financial directories such as swift.com, bankcode.net or iban.com, or even large banking comparison platforms like Wise, and make sure the information matches across at least two reliable sources before using it for a transfer. For example, if you're looking for Santander Consumer Bank in Norway, the SWIFT code might be something like BSNONOKKXXX. Here NO is the country code and KK is the location. But always confirm this with your specific branch or through official sources, especially if you're dealing with large transactions. You can also find your SWIFT code printed on your bank statement in your online banking portal or by simply calling customer service for confirmation. And that's how you can quickly and reliably find the SWIFT code for Santander Consumer Bank with just a quick Google search and some verification. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like guides on IBANs or international transfers next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.